Hi, welcome. This is Sharon from SHARONSSHED Signs and Designs. So, yeah, I want to get to the top of the board. Not that it matters for base coating, but anyway, that's just where I want to start. Get started base coating it while we're talking. So, anyway, I'm going to get this base coated really quick. I think this is a really pretty, kind of, like I said, a kind of a barn red color. All right, I'm going to go ahead and take this tape off and retape it with my sensitive surface frog tape for my frame, and then I'm going to paint the other board. All right. This is a 2-foot, 24-inch board by 12 inches. I don't think I said that. And it's just a regular pine board. I am taping just inside my red area. I'm going to stand up and look over it, try to make sure I get it lined up. All right, I'm going to do my sides once again. I know you can't see me doing this side. I'll hurry as much as I can. Make sure that I've got everything lined up. All right, I'm going to get this dry. Take my tape off and see what we got. There we go. I think it's all good and dry. Make sure I get the ears in the frame. Just one little area. There we go. We're done. Isn't she cute? I think she is. She's a cutie. Move it on down. At least now that I've got the cow on there, I can tell which part I need to work on next. So, I'm going to line up along the edge here. It's a good way to make sure I've got it straight. Got it. There we go. Farm Life is the name of it. Got it right here. Yeah, Farm Life 6-pack. They are in stock. It's an oldie but a goodie. Farm Life. And I'm going to dry that. Then I am going to use my drop cloth again. And this buffalo chick is not in stock. I apologize for that, and mine is well loved. But I think a lot of you probably have it. And so I'm going to put the buffalo check under. the Farm Life after I get the Farm Life lined back up. That should work. Okay, come on. I can line it up with that under there. I can. All right, tape it back down. A clean stencil brush. Repeat the process. This is a 5/8 inch brush. Okay. So, it says Farm Life. Then I also want to take this and tape it down. I'm going to do 2 rows. But I'm going to take that top one off and just use the next 2. I'm going to use the black. So then I'm going to line this up where the first row, line it up one more time. Okay. So, okay, you guys, I'm sorry, only one done, but here it is. I think it's real cute. So, thank you, you guys. Thank you, thank you. Thanks, you guys. And if you're not following me, I would love to have you do that. So, thanks. It was fun. I love you guys. Appreciate you. And I will see y'all next time, whenever that may be. Okay, bye-bye.